pet her?
Get Jasmine out of here. No, you can pet her, Nikki, but
Jasmine.
I guess this is how a snake feels. Because
snakes feel a lot smoother.
yeah.
Look at him. He's so cute.
Oh my god.
Oh, I wish I could get that lizard.
Hey, no.
Mom, I had a dream about that big lizard.
You did?
Uh-huh. It was on a movie. Yesterday, that lizard was on a movie, Mom.
Yeah.
Oh, the snake.
King.